it's your girl Billie Jean So Gorgeous, back with another video. Hey!
Billie Jean, bitch, the one you wanna be, bitch. Hop out, look like I'm from Vogue. You say you're a rapper, but don't have no shows. The queen of real estate that you bitches can't imitate. Show you bitches how to run it up. Is to demonstrate. Y'all copy my hair, y'all copy my clothes. You little itty bitty bitches look like some Billie Jean clones.
Alright, so today I'm gonna be unboxing my ring light. Woo! I'm so excited. Ay. So I'm going to let you guys see me unbox it for the first time, put it up, and then I'm gonna test it out. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so before we start, everybody make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the post notification button so you don't miss the video. Ooh, because we're gonna be uploading 3 days a week. I know I've been going for a while, but I'm back. So also follow me on Instagram at Billie Jean So Gorgeous, and follow me on Snapchat and Twitter at Billie Jean Gorge. Alright guys, so here's the packaging. I got it from Amazon. The ring light is 10 inches itself. It comes with a tripod. The tripod is 6 feet tall. It was $45. I will link below, leave the link below. This is not a sponsored video, even though they need to pay me for this. I'm just going to show you guys this way because you guys can get a better view of the packaging until I turn it around. So when you first open it, there's instructions. There are 3 different color temperature modes. I feel like this was very important to get because I really do like the yellow light the most, and occasionally the white lights. So it comes in cool white, warm white, daylight. So depending on which one you like most, it can be the one that you use, or you can switch it up. I'm definitely going to switch it up. It's dimmable. Color temperature switch. It's chargeable, safe, and it comes with a lamp stand. Like I said earlier, it comes with a tripod, which I already have one, but definitely need another one. So it comes in this plastic bag. So I'm gonna take this out. And also in the middle of the light, like I saw on Amazon, it comes with a phone holder or in the middle of the light. So that's one of the main reasons that I got it, because obviously I need it for YouTube. So it comes with this cushion so it won't break. Ooh, this is so lit. This is the actual ring light. It's pretty decent size. Obviously, eventually I would like to get a bigger one, but I feel like this is very decent for my first ever ring light. They can get pretty pricey for the bigger ones. So just gonna open this real quick. Hold on. So I'm gonna untwist this on the cord. I guess it's the cord where you change the temperatures. It has a plus and minus switch where you can dim it. Very awesome. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna put this to the side and see what else is in here. Okay, and this is the tripod that it came with, and it should be 6 feet tall. So let's see. Alright you guys, so I am putting the ring light together. We lit. Pretty easy, the stand. Just gonna put it out. Pull it out to like stand up its best.
I'm gonna give y'all a full view in a minute. I'm gonna twist this to tighten it so it won't move anymore. I'm going to untwist the stand. And I already looked up some directions, so if you're going to get this one, when you twist left, it's untwisting. When you twist right, it's twisting it close. Kind of like a water bottle. Works the same, exact same as a water bottle, you guys. Very easy. So when you put it out, you're going to twist it again to make it tight, okay? Rotatable thing. I don't know what it's called. Cable power. I don't know exactly what it's called, but this is how you can rotate the ring light. So this is pretty lit. You can tighten it here, and it won't move. And loosen it again. So move it to where you want it to be. Period.
So right now I'm about to twist this on and we're about to try it out. Hey, so we got it onto the stand to get an adapter to plug up the cord that they gave you to, or else it's not gonna work. It's not one of those portable ones that run on battery. I'm not even sure if those exist, but you gotta plug it up. Period, poo. And we're lit. This is how the ring light looks. There's no other lighting on in the whole room. Like, this is crazy. This is the brightest setting that it has. I'm gonna cut it down some. Ooh, that look good. I'm looking at myself through a mirror, y'all. That look good. Period. Okay, I'm about to show y'all all the different levels. So I don't know which one this is. Let me see. All right, I think this is like the yellower light. This is the dimmest that it goes. I guess this would be good for like if you're telling like a scary story, or like if you want to do something for Halloween. Like, I feel like this is a little creepy, but we're gonna cut it up some. That's level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, this is lit. So we're gonna go on to the next one. I think this is the daytime. Yeah, I think this is the cool daylight. Period. I don't dislike the whiter lights. And this one is kind of a mixture of both. It's a mixture of the yellow light and the white lights. It's just, they're not my favorite, but I feel like I'm gonna use all of them. And here goes the dry white light. I think this is really lit. I just feel like I'm gonna take fire pictures. It's very clear. Makes your videos, you can see my edges. Ooh. This is why like every beauty YouTuber has a ring light, because it makes you see everything. Makeup, everything's more defined. Hair, period. Don't clock me, boo. Oh, let me show y'all the different levels of these. So this is like the mixture of the white and the yellow light. We're gonna call them white and yellow, okay? Because I don't know the technical term. Now it gets brighter. Brighter, brighter, brighter. Then we're gonna go to the white one. Y'all, if this ain't cute, I don't know what it is. I'm ready to take my pictures. Period. Which I'm gonna be doing after this, now that I've unboxed it. Thank you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the link for this ring light specifically below. I love it. I definitely recommend it for new YouTubers. It is pretty affordable. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video now. I will definitely have a new video dropping soon. I'm not disappearing on y'all no more. I know y'all miss me. I'm back.
MJ, get these niggas a thrill. I'm tryna get me a bill. Fuck a meal. So what fuck, I'm refusing to feel.